So if you want to restore dull, okay, faded paint like this one, and turn it into something crystal clear, okay, like right here, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video we're going to show you guys how to restore dull paint. You know that BMW that we got, guys, we just polished that thing, it was heat smashed in the front. We have carbon fiber wrap on the bumper and we polished the whole car. Check out how smooth that thing is. And what the car looked like, guys. Okay, it looked just like this mirror right here. Okay, let me turn the light off. You can see all the little dots in it. Okay, nothing comes off. Even when I do it with the finger. See how rough it is. It doesn't have any shine. What we're going to do, we'll do half and show you the difference now. So I guarantee you amazing results. So we're going to go ahead and place the tape so we can do only half. That way you can see the difference yourself. Okay, just like that. After that, guys, what we'll be using, okay, Matters California Gold Clay Bar Kit. This thing is amazing. All the tools and products that we use will be listed below the video. Check it out. This is the detailer spray that it comes with. Microfiber towel and 2 clay bars. We use them already on the Mercedes and the BMW. We use them on 2 cars and we still have some left for probably another 1 or 2 vehicles. So we'll go ahead, get one of the clay bars and you get some detailing spray. Okay, you're going to spray the area that you'll be working. Okay, and you start clay barring by going left to right. Okay, left to right or up and down. Do not go in a circle, because if you go in a circle, it's not easy to, it doesn't work as good and it will not buff as easy. Okay, always go in a straight line. So you can see all the stuff coming off already. Okay, so we're about done. And I'm going to show you the difference in just 1 minute what the clay bar did. We're not done. We need to do one more thing at least to bring the shine up. Okay, we're going to dry it now with the microfiber towel, wipe it. And listen now how smooth that thing is compared to the other side. Listen this side. It's super smooth and smooth as glass, you can see. But now we're going to go ahead and get the Ultimate Compound by Meguiar's. Okay, this thing is amazing. You always have to mix it really good. We're going to apply a thin layer and buff it. Okay, that will be enough. Even maybe too much. I put a little bit too much. So we get the buffer, guys. And we're going to go probably, you can do it by hand too, you don't need to use a buffer, but it's way quicker with the buffer. And we're going to go at about 1900 RPMs. Okay, so now we're going to get a clean microfiber towel, wipe it, that way we can buff it and remove the greasiness from the wax. Okay, and so far, okay, check it out even before we remove the tape to see if you can notice any difference. Alright guys, this is it now. Let's check it out. This one was before. Okay, you can see contaminated paint. Look at that thing. Crystal clear finish. And now if I move my hand, you'll be able to hear the difference. So that's how good it looks. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you next time.